Introducing the knife sternum by Scandinoff, engineered for professionals, now within your reach. In extreme conditions, there's no room for mistakes. Every detail matters. Every solution must be perfect, durable, precise, and inspired by Viking heritage. Designed in collaboration with the 601st Special Forces Group of the Czech Republic, it was created to meet the demands of elite soldiers in the field, now available for those who demand the very best. Sternum features a titanium skeleton frame, combining lightweight design with incredible strength. A razor-sharp Sandvik 14C28N steel blade, honed to a precise 20 degrees/20 degrees angle, delivers exceptional cutting performance and long-lasting edge retention. A flipper opening with premium ceramic bearings ensures fast, smooth deployment. The titanium deep carry clip keeps it secure and discreet. The reliable frame lock guarantees stability, even in the most extreme situations. Its modern Seax blade shape, Viking-inspired and engineered for today's needs, is enhanced by the Scandinoff signature flattened groove grind. Chamfered edges at 15 degrees reflect the attention to detail that sets sternum apart. Strategic jimping on the blade, backspacer, and flipper, along with an ergonomic handle curvature, provide superior grip and control in every scenario. Even when closed, sternum remains a powerful tool, reinforcing the fist for defensive strikes and tactical techniques. Delivered with premium accessories, because perfection is always in the details. And for those who seek the ultimate collector's and professional set, the double pack offers more than just a knife. It's the perfect gift for true enthusiasts, a must-have for professionals, an exclusive piece for collectors, partners in adventure, or couples who share a passion for quality. Choose a meticulously crafted knife, iconic in design, engineered for performance, and built to withstand any challenge. Choose Sternum by Scandinoff today.